up, guys? How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great because I am doing great. I'm actually in a good mood today. Was in a good mood. I'm actually in a good mood every single day. So, today I'm going to be making paper squishies, and that is easy, super easy, guys. But before we get started, subscribe, comment, like this video, and guys, my birthday is in 3 days. And guys, all I'm asking you is please get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not begging you, but if you want that to be a birthday present for me, just do it and I'll love it. So guys, let's get started. All you will be needing is colors, scissors, tape, and paper. Guys, you'll be needing a trash bag. If you don't have a trash bag or cotton, because you can use cotton and you can use tissue. So if you don't have that, you can use, you can use old cloths or anything, but make sure you have cotton or either trash bag or tissue or cotton. Did I just say cotton? Yeah, I did. And cloths that you don't use anymore, just cut it and then use it. But you have to give your parents permission to cut, because I use my parents' permission to cut things because you never know what happened and you don't want to get hurt. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start off by drawing the outline of my Pop-Tart. And yes, I am drawing a Pop-Tart. That is what I'm aiming for. So this is so far how it looks. So here it is. So now I have 2 pieces of paper, and you need 2 pieces of paper so that it can be easier to put the tape on there and put the trash bag in it. And then I start cutting it out easy, and you don't want to mess it up. And then I start putting it on the table because this is very easy for me to put it on the table so that I can grab it instead of keeping up the tape and putting it on the piece of paper.
Let's get a nice little product shot. Actually, it's not sponsored. I bought this from Target 2 days ago. Maybe I'll do items here too. It's the same product. Hi, dog.
So I taped it, and here's the inside of it. And I taped the bottom and the side and the other side. So now I'm gonna start off by putting the trash bag in it. It's kind of a little hard because I think I put too much, but it was just right. I had to just force it into so it can be good.
But
So guys, as you can see, it fits perfectly so that it can be so slow rising. Oh, that looks so pretty. Guys, here it is when it's taped. I taped it and it looks so pretty, guys. Like, so pretty. Squish, squish. Finishing touch of my squishy. And it's a Pop-Tart, guys, by the way. Guys, this was so easy, like, for real. Easy. And guys, it kind of like got some gold at the top with the brown. It's actually like a chocolate cherry Pop-Tart. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. Bye bye.